Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I inform, educate and entertain through a series of creative and valuable contents. In this video, I'll be sharing how you can make money online by reading and reviewing books. I've already made videos on how you can make money online by taking surveys, answering questions online, answering homework questions from students, uploading photos on photo selling websites or stock agencies websites, typing and watching videos online. I'll be dropping their links in the description box below for your perusal. If you are interested, do check them out. If you are a returning subscriber, keep being amazing. If you are new here, you are welcome. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos on personal and business development. The link will be in the description box below. Let's get started. The first website I will be sharing that you can read and review books and get paid is on Keycrews.com. www.keycrews.com, where you can read and review books and get paid. If you are interested, do check them out. The next website where you can read or review books and get paid is on onlinebookclub.org. www.onlinebookclub.org. These are ratings from reviewers. Some are giving 3 stars, some are giving 4 stars. onlinebookclub.org. This is one of the websites where you can read or review books and get paid. These are free books for reviews. If you sign up, you'll be given a book to read and review. You get paid to review books completely free. You have to sign up for free, submit your email address, and a code will be sent to your email address. It is this code that you will use to log in. This is where you enter your email address. You type free to prove that you are human and submit. Click on submit. The next step is to verify your email. A code has been sent to your email. You log in with this code. This is on onlinebookclub.org. Thank you for signing in. The next step is to create password. The next step is to create your password. Welcome to onlinebookclub.org. This is one of the websites where you can read or review books and get paid. Create your password. Input your first name, your last name, and your username. The next step is to choose device. The device with which you'll be reading and reviewing books. Select it now and submit. Welcome to the team. You can view the guidelines and basics. Next on my list is ritzycom, where beautiful books are made. Meet the editor, designer or marketer who can help bring your book to life. You can be that editor, designer or marketer. If you are interested, you sign up on ritzy.com. You can earn as much as you want, but make sure that your resume is good enough. This is ritzy.com, where you can read and review books and get paid. The next website where you can read and review books and get paid is instaread.com. Instaread.com is seasonal, meaning you might get work, you might not get work. You can get paid up to $100 per review, but this will depend on when there is wreck. You can try it out if you want. instaread.com. Thanks for watching. Hope this video was helpful. Please like, share, give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, consider doing that. The link is in the description box below. I will see you in my next video. Cheers to your success. Bye bye.